Welcome to the Pathfinder Basics video guide. I am Model 42 and in this series you will learn the pillars or the game rules, making it easier to understand the more detailed rules in the core rulebook, as well as making you able to jump right into character creation at the end of this series. In this first episode, we are looking at ability scores and their modifiers, which you will see come up in many aspects of the gameplay. Each creature, no matter if alive, undead, or a construct, will have 6 ability scores which are Strength, Dexterity, Constitution, Intelligence, Wisdom and Charisma. During character creation you will determine these by making choices, and will end up with scores of 8 up to 18, which will tell you how you compare to other beings and members of your ancestry, for example, humans or elves. For each even number above 10, you will get a modifier of +1. For each uneven number below 10, you will receive a negative modifier of 1 each. So you will have a -1 at 9 or lower, a +1 at 12 and 13, a +2 at 14 and 15, a +3 at 16 and 17 and so on. These modifiers are added to a variety of things in the game. Might they be skill checks, your attacks, your spells, your saving throws and much more. Since they only change by getting ability boosts and flaws during character creation or level ups, and sometimes by equipping items, they are easy to keep track of on your character sheet. When you receive an ability boost, increase the ability score by 2 if it is 18 or lower, or increase it by 1 if it is 18 or higher. If you receive an ability flaw, decrease your score by 2. There is no limit as to how high your scores may be. During character creation, you will often receive multiple of such boosts at the same time. You always increase different abilities with your free ability boosts, however. You can never increase one ability more than once during each step of character creation. Remember that increasing or decreasing your score might affect your modifiers. Also, your abilities might give you a hint at how to roleplay your character. You have a high strength and charisma, which might make you the leader of your group, charging into battle at the front line, shouting words of bravery and motivation to your party members. If your wisdom is below 10, maybe you are not as perceptive, or are sometimes distracted, or you just lack experience, since you are young or have never left your village for adventures. This will conclude this lesson. You find the details on page 20 in the core rulebook. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for more content or leave a comment to tell me what abilities you prefer to have as high as possible on your characters, and why.